Welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix the Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. And we are still developing unassemblize tool. Last video we made some good progress. As I was thinking about this here, maybe what we can also do, we don't just show the match percentage of the individual functions, but also the overall match percentage of the whole bundle, if that makes sense. I don't know how valuable that information is, but basically we could have something like, you know, CPP 100% complete and another file 20% complete, right? Based on the functions that are in there, right? But it's a bit misleading, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, but let's see. How would we implement that? So we would need. So we would need some bundle UI infos. Function named function. Maybe. Yeah, so probably similar principle to the name function UI info. So we could do named function bundle UI info. Then we have bundle name. Well, let's comment this here. Custom label for the bundles list. Yeah, and then we would have a using named function bundle UI infos. That is std vector. Yeah, maybe on that note we can move these guys together here. Balance selection array. Move this here as well. Custom label. Well, do we really need this comment here? Well, custom label. Custom label. Yeah, something like this, and then we would have named function bundle UI infos, compilant bundle UI infos, and bundle UI info single Single bundle UI info. Compile and source file bundle UI infos. Like this, yeah, and then maybe you move this down here like this. And then in init, we would initialize these guys. Ta-ta. Dot resize. Compile bundles dot size. Source file bundle and resize. Oh, that one is not. This one doesn't need any resizing, but we have a prepare rebuilds. Here we need to free some containers, I think. Single bundle. Free container. Okay. Okay, and then we would yeah, so basically when on bundles changed, on bundles interaction, yeah, on bundles, yeah, on bundles changed. When bundles have changed, bundle filter. So we would have a function also here, update, update, update bundle UI infos, update bundle UI infos. And we would pass get active bundles. Yeah. So we would have a void update bundle UI infos. And we would give a span I think we get active bundles span. Yeah, it's this one. No, get active. Yeah, get active bundles. Or is it not? Get active bundles. Actually, it's get active bundles. Oof. Active bundles. Get active. Type. Bundles. Yeah. Okay. And so the question is, what do we do then? Update bundle to get active. Why is it not finding it? Updated, right? Good. And in here we would have to do similar stuff to as what we did here. But so so we would have to go through all functions that are in this bundle, which we do with get active named function indices, right? It's this one. Get active, okay. Let's see. So but this is update active functions. Update active functions. The problem here is that we would first need to call these two. But update selected makes no sense, does it? Active, hold on, active is name function. Name function indices, active ones. What is active? Active are active name function indices. Where's this built? It's built in update active functions. Update active functions. Update selected bundles. On bundles interaction. So actually, hold on. So actually, we need to push this update here. No? On bundles interaction. Bundles interaction means we change it, right? No, that's on bundles changed. No. Bundles change. So we update all bundles immediately. Actually, wait, so we select the bundle. We select the bundle. Yeah. Okay. I think what we need to do is we need to get active bundles. Get active bundles. This one. Yeah. Get active bundles. But I'm so confused right now. On bundles changed. When is this called? When we select the bundle type. Select bundle UI infos. Let me put a breakpoint here. Let's see, when is this hit? Got a compile error, yeah. Fine. Good. So, compare. And okay, it's never called. Okay, that is surprising to me. Or is it not? It is called here. On bundles changed. What happens if we recompare? Huh. I'm curious if this one here should be called first time we load the bundles. Maybe it should, yeah. But where would that be? Maybe after bundles are loaded, bundles. So we have update. Well, we can always do it on init, right? Init. File init. Yeah. So on file init we could call this here as well. Let's change. So here we would call this, let's see, type, get selected banner type. Maybe, what does this return? None. None. Yeah. Get active banner. Maybe we can simplify this here a bit and put this in here. Yeah. Get selected bundle type, get active bundles, update UI infos. Yeah. Do the same here. Okay, so let's put a return here and put a breakpoint here. So this should now be called after initial compare. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and then here we will make a first update. So bundles are size 0. Storage. 32, okay. Yeah, I think we need a nutvis here for our span. It's not showing right. Okay, so what was that? Strange. So here we should now try to use these bundles. So we can do for name function const name function bundles, and then we say bundle dot all named function indices. Then we do for index t index function index. Let's call it named function index that, and then we put here bundle. Let's do here m revision descriptor, named functions const named functions named functions, and we say, actually hold on, we need to get hands on named function match infos. Yeah, Okay, actually, before we continue here, we need to figure out here, update label. So we pass a bundle name, we pass a bundle ID, and that's it. No. A Boolean contains matched functions and similarity. Yeah, similarity of the functions. Yeah, optional. Contains matched functions. Uh-huh. Yeah. And so we go here and we create a new function. Here. Bundle UI info. Put that here. Okay, so which will be very similar to this one here. So contains matched functions. Then we also do this here, and we just call this bundle. Bundle. Then we do bundle ID and bundle name. Actually, it's pretty much the same, isn't it? It's the same, pretty much the same code. Yeah. Yeah. Which makes me wonder if these even should be two different things. I mean, right now they are completely the same, but maybe they deviate in the future. Who knows? Contains matched functions. Okay, and then we would so similarity. So this function here, update this here, is matched. Okay, it's matched. Okay, so what I think we do is how about we create a function, is matched function. We create here another bool has matched function, and then we pass a span const index t, name it function indices const, okay, and then we do this, that, and we check revision descriptor, named functions, and we do for index t, named function index, named function indices, and we do revision. Let's do const named functions equals that, named functions index, named functions dot, hold on, it's not named functions, it's named functions match infos, named function index. Actually, hold on, we can just use this one here. If is matched function, named function index, then return true, return false. There we go. Okay, and then we use that to say here bool has matched function, let's say just has matched function. Has matched function. And then we say has matched function equals the function we just added. Here has matched function. And we pass it this one here. There we go. And we put it on const, and then we do we delete this, and we do basically this stuff here. We need another function. We need get active. Why do we call this get active bundles? I don't understand. Why do we call it get active? Because this returns according to the thing we passed. It's not the active. Get active bundle selection. Get selected bundle type. Get active bundles. Get filtered bundle. Get active. Why is this called get active bundles? I'm not sure. Get active, because there's no inactive ones, because it all depends on the. We could pass an inactive one here. Let's rename this to get bundles. Get bundles. Why am I missing something? Why is this called active bundles? I don't understand. Maybe it was just a remnant of a previous name. So it should be get bundles. And this should be get bundles selection. Get bundles selection. Yeah. Okay, and then we add a get span const, no, not const, span 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 named function bundle UI info get bundle UI infos, and then we also pass this type here. Okay. And then here we have this, and we got this, and we do span bundle UI infos, return this thing here, not const bundle UI info, and then we do bundle single source compilant UI infos source file bundle UI infos and single bundle UI info. There we go. Okay. It was changed. Update switch case. Okay. Okay. And then we use this guy now here in this function as well. So we have a span const span named function UI infos info, and we say named, no, it's not named function, it's a named function bundle. It's called a bundle UI infos. Okay, and then to get bundle UI infos, get selected bundle type. There we go. Okay, named functions bundle, and then what? Bundles, bundles. Name function bundle. So we do expect assert bundle UI infos dot size equals bundles dot size, right? That must be a match. And then we will do size ti equals 0. Let's do const size t bundle size equals bundle size I smaller bundle size plus I. Let's put it index t bundle count. There we go. Okay, and then we say index t bundles I bundle. Okay, and then we put bundle UI info name function bundle UI info UI bundle info I. There we go. Okay. No, that needs to be not const. Okay, that somehow is complaining because of this. Okay, and then we say has matched function, yeah, and then we do UI info dot update label, and then we pass bundle dot name and bundle dot id and has matched function. There we go. Okay, and that should now update. Should update bundle UI info. Yeah. Okay. And update redefinition. Okay. There we go. Okay, that compiled. So now we should see some bundles with the M tag in front of them. Right? Let's see. No. Because it's not rendered yet. Yeah. Yeah. So we would go to draw bundles here, multi-select box. And we would do similar to how we do it here with the UI info. Get filtered name function UI info. Get filtered named function UI info. Get filtered bundle. So we would add a new function called get filtered bundle UI info. UI info index, and then put this here. All right. And we return, oh boy, filtered index. What the hell is that? Filtered index. Oh, let's filter. I guess we can do return bundles filter. To be honest, it should return like an index type. So yeah, I wonder if we should change the way we store bundles here. So right now we store them with a pointer, right here. This here. I wonder if it should also be index t instead. Okay, but that aside, I think what we can do is filter index. Filter index. ID. That is const index t index equals this ID and return get filtered bundles filter. Oh. Filtered bundle. Get filtered bundle einfach. Poof. Yeah. Yeah. Index. Let's call this bundle index. And return yeah. So essentially would have to return this here. This get bundle UI enforce. We also need a const version of this. Const Oh, that's a little bit awkward, isn't it? Oh boy. Yeah. I don't like it. It would be better if this was also handled with indices. Well, oh, but hold on. Get nav function. Get filtered bundle UI info. Why? Hold on. Get filtered bundle UI info. Do we actually want it to be const? Oh yeah. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah. So you would say assert bundle index smaller than this dot size, and then return bundle UI infos bundle index. Okay. And here we would first type. So it would return. I guess we do const cast this const cast const this get bundle UI infos type. Yeah, it's not great, but I think it does a job. Yeah. Why is this still not working? Oh, we need a const here. There we go. Okay, so we got this guy, we got the bundle index, and that's that. Okay, get filtered bundle UI info, and now we should be able to use that somewhere. Bundles here. So get filtered bundle UI info const named function UI info bun UI info equals that, and oh boy, function fire, okay. So do fire, okay. And somehow this does not work. Undefined file, okay. And that also does not work. Why does this not work? Name function bundle UI info. There we go. Good. So we have a UI info, and then we do the same as we did here. Style color. Oh, it's matched. It's matched. Oof, it's matched. It's matched. It's matched. It's matched. Is compared. Oof. So we need to do something similar to this stuff here. Let's just copy this stuff, put it here. But I think we need to store some additional data in this bundle UI info. We need to store if it does have a matched function. Yeah, and we need to store the similarity level. Yeah, I think so. So let's rename this guy to updates. How about we rename these guys to update info? Update info. Okay. Same here. Update info. Okay, and I think here we need a boolean bool has matched function, and we need optional similarity. Yeah. And we set this to false initially and this to empty. Actually, isn't there like optional C++ optional no value? Isn't there something like null opt or something? Hold on. Null opt here, null opt. Null opt. Empty class type used to indicate that it's not does not contain a value. Null opt. Let's use null opt here. I think that is it's not allowed. Null opt. Null opt. Null opt. Ah, null opt. I see. Yeah. What does this do? Null opt. Null opt. Null opt. Tag. Okay. Yeah, I think this is maybe a bit more descriptive here. Null opt. There we go. Okay, so similarity is null opt, and then so what we do here is has matched function. We put m has matched function equals that, and m similarity equals that. Yeah. Has matched. Yeah. Actually, we only need to store similarity. We don't need to store this here, I think. Yeah, I think we can omit this guy. So we just say if similarity is not similarity, then we update here. And we put the similarity here at the end. Similarity. We put it here. There we go. If label empty or that, okay. Okay, I think this will work. And then let's remove this here for now. And then we say similarity. So yeah, so we put UI in. Hold on. Oh, we need the has match info. Yeah, we need it. We need it. We need it. Let's put it back. Has matched function. No, hold on. What am I saying? Is matched. Is compared. Is compared. That is similarity is implicit on this one. Is compared. Yeah, we don't. Yeah. We don't need this. We don't need this. Don't get confused. Don't be confused. So, so we say if UI info dot similarity dot has value. Yeah. Then we go set color. Yeah. UI info. Matched function. No, we can't reuse this function here for the bundle because this one relies on get similarity. Okay. We would need to put Okay. How about we comment out this guy? Now the fun part begins. Okay. So how about we rename this guy? We rename this to thing list item list item UI info. Okay. So we have bundle UI infos and function UI infos, and they both use this one here, okay? And we call it item name, item ID, has matched function, yeah, and similarity. Okay. Label and similarity. Okay. So we use this. And then we comment out this guy. And then we call this here item. Okay. And then, yeah, we have this. Then we do here list item UI info. Okay. It's matched. Okay. Next. And here we do list item UI info. Name function UI info. Here. Okay. And how about we create a struct name function UI info public list item UI info, and then we create another one named function bundle UI info, same thing, yeah, like that, and there's just nothing inside. It's just empty. But then we use this guy here and this guy here, yeah, and then we use name function here bundle, we use this here and this there, then we change this and we change something here, there, and here, and there, and there, everywhere. Okay. Then go here and we change this and that. Okay. And then we fix up everything here. There we go. There, there, and name function bundle UI info. Something is wrong here. Here, there, okay. And we have one more error here, here, there we go. And then here we say uh, so is matched. Then he is matched. So how about we simplify this to that and that and that, and we say if UI info dot m similarity dot has value, then do this, and then we no longer pass matched function. Oops, because we remove it here, and instead we pass list item UI info here and here, and then it will have the label and it will have the similarity, but the similarity is a integer now. It's an integer of then we do integer integer. So we remove this here and we put UI info dot m similarity dot value. Let's put an assert here. Assert UI info similarity dot has value, and then value is 100, and then here, so it's 160, so 100 we need to how do we calculate this best? I guess we do similarity. We can do divided by 100 and then times 160. Yeah, I guess the compiler will optimize it a bit. So let's do float similarity divided by 100 times 160, right? And then we put another here, and that somehow doesn't work. What is the problem? Similarity divided by 100 times 160. What is the problem? Oh, right. There we go. Maybe we do const float. Yeah. floats. Similarity. Floats divided by 100. And then here we put similarity times 160. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so this, yeah, I don't know if there will be rounding errors here. Could be. Could be. Hopefully not. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh, we still have something red here. Yeah. So this is bundles. So here we would also say it has value, then remove all this stuff and remove this here. Right, and that may work. No. I think we made some error here. What's the error? Did we mess up the indentation? It's possible. It's possible. Oh, what did we mess up here? I don't see it. I don't see it. Let's revert whatever we changed there. I don't see it. I don't know, something we did wrong here. Probably some curly bracket is missing or too much, I don't know. Maybe it was just Visual Studio acting up. It did compile, okay. Okay, so this is good. If it works. So basically the bundles and the functions, they now both use the same logic here. Which could be beneficial. So the functions should still work the same as before, but the bundles should only show the M. They shouldn't show any colors yet, right? Let's see. So let's go to, well, they don't. I don't see anything here. No M's. No M's. Because we did not. Here, UI info dot name. There we go. M label, I mean. M label. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. And there it is, the M. Okay, so this is here. So we know that there are now matched functions within these bundles, right? Same with the source files. We know there are matched things inside. So, okay, this is good. Okay. Now M all, yeah. Good. Then the next step is to get some color in there, right? this we would get from essentially we would need to we would need so we have this function here, update matched named function UI infos, right? So we would also need a info which we don't know which bundles these matched functions belong to, right? So we would have to update selected bundles. But by the time that this async result comes in, the selection could already be outdated. So we cannot bank on the current selection. So we would need to know an old selection. Update matched named function UI infos. Update bundle update matched function. Oh boy. Well, we could just update all, I guess. We could just call but that's quite expensive, isn't it? Okay, that's a bit of a problem. We don't easily have this information. Matched function. Well, we could. Well, we could. The worst case would be to look up where this function, which bundle it belongs to, but that is expensive. Then we go through all the active bundles and check if it's in there. Actually, best would be if a name function would have some link to a bundle. But we don't have this link in this direction. Bundles know about functions, but functions don't know about bundles. And probably they shouldn't, right? Because, well, can a function be in multiple bundles? Yeah. Can be in the all bundle. Yeah. Oh, this is not easy. How can we make this link? function indices. Shit. I don't know. Oh, this is a performance concern. Like if we go after each match name function update, then if we select name functions in inefficient chunks, and yeah, we get a lot of calls to update the bundle labels, and then yeah, that won't be cheap, right? Sure. I don't know. It's a bit of a problem. Oh boy. Maybe maybe we save a span of the selected span of selected bundles, selected bundles. Yeah, we can. I mean, there's no other way. We have to update the selected bundles. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I think what we need is we need a void update bundle UI infos, yeah. Oh. Well, let's remove it here. The place where we call this function here, where's this called? Here. Good. So we store this one. Create build comparison records for selected function. So matched function indices. Matched function indices. Files, yeah. Okay, I think what we should do is create a std array of span, selected bundles. Selected bundles, yeah. Get bundles select. Wait, how's this thing used? Selected bundle size. Get active. Huh? Active name. Yeah, selected bundles. Okay. So I think what we do here is we create a span const named function bundle. Wait, name function bundle. Yeah. Name function bundle span 2. Right? And then that would simply be that would be named function bundles pair. Name function bundles pair. Yeah, and that will be array with this files.m selected bundles, and then we do span. Okay, somehow that doesn't work. Person description. Why is this not working? Oh, because this is a shit, selected bundles. This is not the well, what really would help you if this was also index T, selected bundles index T. Shit. Select us as use selected bundles. Selected bundles. Selected bundles. Can we? I think we can we can change selected bundles into indices. Yeah, I think we should do that. Let's try. And that gives us more flexibility how we handle these guys. So we do index T, selected bundle, indices. And then select the bundle indices. We do here index T, selected bundle indices, reserve. We do selected bundles, active bundles, active bundles, get bundles, can't span. Oh boy, this is scary. This is scary. Oof. Oh no, that's sets. Index T, pushback. Okay, so pushback index T. Take this out. Select bundle indices. Right. Can't. Okay, select indices. Okay. Okay, so far so good. It's still scary. Selected bundle indices. And selected bundle indices. Okay, and then here we do. Oh. Yeah. Get active. Selected. Yeah. So we would always need to call get oh, this is risky. This is risky. Yeah, I'm not ready to make this change at this point. This needs to be a separate change. It's too risky now. Let's revert the stuff. It's too risky. We might break some stuff that we don't want to break. Okay. So instead, can we do it like this? Yeah, we can do it like this. A span of pointers. Can we put it here and then do auto? Like this. that up here. Okay. I wonder, do we really need to put this here, or can we just remove this? Oh, that doesn't work. Too bad. Okay, here we put a 1. Selected bundles. Okay. Okay, so we do this, and then we pass. I foresee like there's a tiny issue with this approach. So if we just update the things that were selected here, the bundles that were selected, then if we change the selection while the async command is running to a new bundle, and that new bundle also contains these functions that are getting updated right now, then that new selected function, selected bundle, won't get the updates from the async operations. Only the ones that were previously selected. So let's say I have a source file bundle selected. I analyze a bunch of functions. I switch to the all bundle, and the all bundle also contains those functions. Then the all bundle won't get updated when the async commands are done. So I wonder if there is a practical, well, it's not so much a practical problem, but it is a theoretical problem. Like someone issues async commands, which is a bundle, doesn't get the update when the async operations are done. Ugh. Yeah. That's not great. Yeah. It's a problem. It is a problem. Yeah. The alternative would be to update all bundles. or what we can, there's another, okay, let's do this here first. So name function bundles pair. Let's say this is selected bundles pair, right? Okay. Which function indices selected bundles pair. Good. So, and then here we do for index t I equals 0, I smaller 2 plus I. So we do this files I invalidate command ID, and then we do update matched update bundle UI infos, and we give it the selected bundles. Oh shit, now this one doesn't take this kind of span. Oh boy. Selected bundles. Update. Yeah. Oh boy. Update bundle. Span. For Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Well, we can't call this anyway because it doesn't do the whole thing. Oh boy. Yeah. Huh. Shit. I don't like this. This approach is so convoluted. It's error prone. It's not good. There needs to be a simpler solution. I mean, the simplest would be we just update all bundles, right? Like any function that was, any matched function updated, boom, update bundles. But that is so expensive because, yeah, it goes through all bundles. Oh boy. Well, what we could do is, well, what we could, I have another idea. How about we, what we could maybe do is if there are multiple async commands lined up to process functions, then we wait for all of them to be done, and when all are done, then we issue an update to update all bundles in one go. Yeah, maybe you can do that. Yeah. So yeah, so so we can create a counter in the comparison descriptor for build comparison records. Yeah, we add a counter and we count it up whenever we create here a new command. Yeah, and we decrement it when it's done. Yeah. Yeah. Then we just need to guarantee that this creating this also leads to enqueuing. It does right now, yeah. Yeah. Okay, we could do that, yeah. This would significantly reduce the amount of potential repeated updates. Yeah. Yeah. So if we like select the list, yeah. Okay. Well, we only need to update the active ones. We don't need to update. We don't need to update all bundles. What do we? Actually, we do, because if we switch bundle, Oh, oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, so let's remove this here. Let's add a let's say comparison records. Let's do a let's do a private actually it's not private, public int pending, or yeah, pending build comparison records for selected functions commands. Pending build comparison records for selected functions command. Maybe it's a bit too long. Pending build comparison records commands. Comparison records commands, yeah. I'll put that as 0. Pending. Okay. And then we here we increment this guy here, and we and we decrement it here. Comparison. And if it is 0, if that equals 0, then we call a function comparison descriptor update bundle UI infos. Update bundle UI infos, yeah. We say if this, okay. Okay, and then, yeah, then we need to add this function here. Void update bundle UI infos. And then, yeah, we essentially need to go over all bundles and update them. Yeah. Update all bundles. Updates UI infos for all bundles to avoid missing data. to avoid missing anything. To avoid missing any. Yeah, and then let's see if it compiles right now. I lost a little bit oversight. I think there's a compiler over here. Yeah. Ta-ta, ta-ta. Okay. Okay, so essentially we need to do a similar thing as we did in here. Name function bundle. Bundles. Okay, so oof. Yeah. Function. Actually, I do wonder if it's really necessary to update this every time we call on bundles change. Perhaps we just do it once on init for all bundles, so that when we change bundles, we don't need to update anymore, since when we call it anyway on all yeah. Yeah, I think we don't do it here. Instead, so we call this somewhere else here. So we say for, what is it? Here, match bundle type. For index t, I equals 0, I smaller than this count, index t count plus I, and then we put that here, and then we do index t. Let's make a copy of this guy, put it down here, comment it out, and then here we do get bundles. Well, why don't we hold on, get bundles, well, let's just call it, let's not do the loop. Instead, we make it 3 times copy, and then we put here this one, then this one, and this one, right? And then we can remove all this stuff and this stuff, and then that is done. Okay, so we basically update all bundle UI info straight on init, right? So everything is ready. All the strings are ready. So when we switch bundles, it doesn't need to update anything. It's just already done. But whenever we analyze functions, it needs to go through all these guys again and update them all again. And some of them, most of them won't be updated, right? If they don't contain, yeah. Let's let's put a note in here. Updates UI info for all bundles to avoid missing any. Potentially is more expensive than we would like it to be. Potentially is more expensive than we would like it to be. But we try to keep calls to a minimum. Try to keep calls to a minimum. Updates UI infos for all bundles to avoid missing any. Potentially is more expensive. Potentially is more expensive than we would like it to be. We try to keep calls to a minimum. Yeah. It's not great, but the problem is we don't have any information about matched function to bundle. But maybe we could build that matched function to bundle. But matched function can be in multiple bundles. Yeah. Also, similarity. But it needs to be calculated fresh anyway, because we need to go over all. We need to go over all functions and summarize similarities, and then divide it by the count. So I guess we can't really avoid this work, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, but I guess it's fine if we really just, like, if it is called just once in the blue moon, whenever a new function was processed, then it's probably okay. It really depends on how big our bundles are. Yeah. I can see this. I can see this costing maybe easily, maybe 100 milliseconds, roundabout. I don't know. Probably can be expensive. Yeah. Okay, let's implement it, and then we see if it works or not. Yeah. So how do we do this? So logic is somewhat similar to this, but not quite. Not quite. Let's make a copy of this guy. Actually, can we just call this one? No, we can't because this one doesn't contain the similarity thingy. Um, yeah. So updates. Match names. How about name filtered named function UI? Updates. Update named function UI infos. Update name. Update matched named UI infos. Let's rename this to all. Update all bundle UI infos. Yeah. And good. So so first off, we need to go over both files. So yeah, so we probably need this here. And function. Can function. Yeah. So m files I dot get bundles, get bundles, I have to say what we did there in the init, I don't like it because it doesn't adapt here. Maybe we shouldn't do this. Maybe we should do like we tried before. So index t I equals 0, I smaller than index t matched bundle type count plus I, and then update bundle UI infos with get bundles with the bundle type match bundle type I, and do it like this. Because then if we had like another bundle type, then this would here just work. Yeah. Then let's copy this guy and also put it in here. We do the same thing. So for this, and yeah, so we count that and we call it here. Let's do file equals files I. Okay. Here we have now another I. We shouldn't do that. Let's do k. Well, hopefully it's the last number. So we have file. Okay, and so we have file dot this. Okay, how about we call it match bundle type? We call it. Let's make this here f, and this is b. Okay, and file dot get bundles b. There we go. And yeah, okay. So get bundles. Okay. So this gives us spun const named function bundle. Okay, so bundles. Okay, so and then from here we can now, what do we do? So in this bundle there will be functions. But oh no, we know. Oh god! Now I need another named const named function bundle. Named function bundle. Bundle in bundles. Okay, and in there we do. Oh boy, 3 loops. Well, this thing is getting huge. And then we have all named function indices. And hold on, we need another loop. Oh boy. We are 4 loops deep. Oh boy. So we do index t function named function index. That's okay. Good. So we are four loops deep. Oh boy, this function will be outrageous. And in here we need file. We need a revision descriptor, I think, for the name functions. No, we don't. We just need match infos. So file.m match infos, and this one we access with the name function index, and this one will give us the const named function match info equals that. Okay, good. And the match info then tells us if it is matched, and if it is matched, then we know we cannot, and we know we have match if is matched, then if is matched. So bundle. So this is bundle count bundles. Bundle type. how about we call this, maybe we need better names here. Let's put this here, file index or file edx. Otherwise we lose track here. Let's call this here bundle type. Bundle type. There we go. Bundle type. And here I think we also need another number here. Bundles. So we have bundles span. Yeah, let's do a const index t bundle size, bundle count equals bundles dot size, and we do for index t bundle index equals 0, bundle edx smaller than bundle count plus bundle index. Yeah, and then we say bundle equals bundles add bundle index bundle edx. Okay, so we have a bundle here. Okay, so and if it is matched, then we go to matched functions with match info dot. Hold on, do we have a helper function for this? We should maybe get a helper function here. Hold on. So we have get some name from your name function index name function index. Maybe we can get a helper function here for this thing. Basically get similarity value, and we give it the matched function. We give it a matched function index. Matched function index. Oh boy, matched function index, matched function. Named function index. Paul, can we create one function that takes the name function. Oh boy. Well, a function that returns as a comparison, or the matched function. The matched function is compared. The matched function. Matched function. Well, it doesn't help much. Name function index. What do we use this for? Name function. Yeah. No, I don't think we can create a helper function here because this is doing different things than what we need to do. I think. Okay, let's continue without any extra function. So match functions, match info dot matched index. Yeah, so that's the first, and that will give us a matched function here. Yeah, and we also expect that this is compared, right? Yeah, and then we do, oh boy, so matched function, and then we do get similarity as int lenient to do make strictness configurable, and then make strictness configurable, and then boy, the pain. We need to basically we need to have here, we need to have a uint32t similarity similarity, let's call this total similarity equals 0, and then total similarity plus equal that, and then if is matched similarity match function is okay, and then here at the end we would then say we would get bundle UI infos. Oh boy. Oh boy, this function. So we would call this guy with the same here, same bundle. And it would be a span. Is it a span? What is it? What does it return? Yeah, this is a span. Span UI info, right? No? Bundle UI infos. No? File. There we go. And this guy, we can make an assert. We expect that these guys are the same. Dot size equals bundle count dot size. Okay. Bundle count. Okay. All right. Actually, hold on. Here, this, and this. Okay. And that somehow still doesn't work. Ah, here, file dot, there we go. And this somehow still doesn't work. What is wrong here? Bundle, right. Okay, there we go. Good. And then here at the end we say bundle UI infos with bundle. Hold on. Let's go in here. There, bundle infos, bundle index dot update info, and there we type pass the bundle dot name, bundle dot id, and has matched function. That's a good question. Well, if here bool has matched function equals false, then we do has matched function equal true, has matched function, and similarity is similarity total similarity divided by bundle count, right? Yeah. Total similarity divided by bundle. Yeah, this should give us the value. Okay, I hope that this is correct. It is quite a heavy loop. I mean, this here is a small loop, just 2, but this one can be fairly large. Right now it's like 30, so 60 plus 1 elements roundabout. This one, no, this is 2, this is 3, this is like 60 or so, and this will be many, very many. Yeah. So yeah, it goes through all functions multiple times actually. Yeah, it's an expensive function. This is expensive. I hope that it will be under 100 milliseconds. If it is, then I guess it's fine. If it's larger, guess we need to see if we can optimize it, but I don't see any other good way. If we want this feature, it has to crunch the numbers, right? But it only has to do it once after function processing. So as long as you don't click anything in the UI, it won't be executed, right? So yeah, just don't use the tool, the program. Okay, then let's see if that works. Will be interesting. Let's see. Did we actually hook it? Yeah, I think we hooked it up completely. So it now should also show other colors. And we go. Okay, what is wrong? Okay. Update bundle UI infos. Bundles. 33. 32. Okay, what does that mean? Oh. Right. Yeah, that's not right. This span might not match what we get here. Yeah. Okay, how do we deal with this? Name functions. Maybe we just give it a bundle type. Yeah. 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 Because otherwise these guys are not in sync. Yeah. Okay, so it is called from here. So get bundles. Then let's do const span named function bundles equals this, and we do here we pass type here, and we pass this here, and that somehow doesn't work. Let's stop debugging. Then let's go in here. Yeah. Let's put the type here, update your bundle your upsetter. And then we put type get bundle. It's complaining here somehow. What's the problem? Get bundles const get bundles bundle. Okay, const. Okay. Okay. And now this should work if we fix the caller here, and we do this and this and this and this. Okay, this should work now. Okay. So on init we update all the bundle UI infos. Okay. Let's see. Good. So we compare. Yeah. And error. Okay, let's see. What's the next? Still got error here. Oh, right. We forgot to pass type here. Okay. Let's retry. There we go. Good. Compare. And there we go. Okay. And now let's make a selection. Let's make multiple selections. And we got an error. Okay. Is compared. Ah, right. It does not need to be compared. Yeah. Is matched. So we need to say if is compared. Yeah. If is compared. Yeah. All right. Which function is compared? Okay. Okay, let's try that. My gosh. This code. Compare. All right. Then, oh, what do we have here? 3%. They all show red. Why? Why do they all show red? I don't know why they all show red. Also, why is it 7% now when we got... Huh? Okay, I'm confused. Why is this not showing us matches now? Huh? Okay, I'm seriously confused right now. Okay, so I see many things wrong here. For some reason, we switched bundle, and now it no longer shows us stuff in here. Huh? Jesus. Boah. Okay, that's unexpected. For some reason... So now it shows us the stuff, but when we go back and forth, then it's gone somehow. Curious how this happens. Huh. Huh? I don't get it. Oh. No. Ah, maybe it's overwrites this thing again. If label empty or... Ah, I see. I think I know what the error is. It's similarity dot has value and similarity dot value does not match value. Let's say const bool similarity value changed, and then we put this here. So similarity has a value and that, yeah, similarity value changed or labels empty. Yeah, I think this will fix this particular problem when we switch back and forth. Similarity value changed. Similarity. Hold on, I think we should remove this value here. If it is... Yeah, let's try this. Has value. I think this will fix it, yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so compare and okay, and now so we click here and yeah, it saves it now. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, but why are all these guys red? That's what I don't understand right now. It must have something to do with our loop here. With this guy here. This guy. Essentially, it's because yeah, because Let me see. Let's restart once more. So it also makes our M's disappear. Update info, updates, empty or this has matched function. Because then it goes in here. Yeah. I see. Okay. I see. Yeah, we do it wrong. The problem is we update bundles that have I think what we need to do is we can only call updates where is it? Here. We can only call this update info thingy if there is no missed compared in this bundle. So we need to say else bool is missing comparisons false. And we say here is missing comparisons true. And then we can also break out here. If it is missing comparisons, we can break. And then we can actually have another shortcut here. Bundle UI infos. Let's put here const named function bundle UI info equals info file this thing UI info boom, and we say. So if we only update UI info when all comparisons are done, that means it only will ever update once, which means we can UI info dot similarity dot has value. So if it already has a value, then we just skip this whole thing. Then this bundle is already processed. Continue. As value, continue. Yeah. Okay. Well, it won't give us much gains overall, I would say, but yeah, just a small optimization. Okay, so UI inf, it's const, hold on. So UI info, if it has a value, then continue. Otherwise, we update it down here. Total similarity. Make strictness. Configure is missing comparison. And then we say if missing comparisons, then continue, right? Yeah. Has matched functions. Well, then we don't need this check anymore. It will be just true. Can remove this guy. Yeah, I think that would be it. Bundle, total, yeah. Bundle count. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Okay, so let's see if that works. So basically we click here, it does something. It seems to be fast. Let's do Control A. And it didn't update anything here. I wonder why. Oof, missing comparisons is matched. Match function is compared. Okay, so it never reached here, I guess. Let's see. Put a breakpoint here. Let's click on the next one. Okay. Why is this not? Oh, right. This is wrong. Only if it has a value, then we should continue, not the other way around. Of course, it never gets down here. Oh boy. The noobness. Okay, let's retry this. Man, this function is... Okay, but that also explains why things were fast. Yeah, we didn't get the... Yeah, okay, let's click here and click here. Okay, now it shows us 3%. 0%. Oh, because there are no functions inside. Okay, makes sense. 0%. Okay, then let's repeat this here. So we click on these guys and it loads. Okay, 10%. Okay. Why is this 7%? Can someone explain why this is 7% when we have 100 here, 100 here, and 51 there? Why is this 7%? I don't get it. Huh? This also looks higher here. Well, yeah. Okay, how about we continue in the next session? I think this one has 3 hours. Jesus. I didn't realize. I thought we are at 2 hours. Okay, well, yeah, I think we need a break here. Let's try to figure out why this is so low. Something is wrong here with the calculation. It should be, this should be easily at, yeah, 70, 60%, maybe 70%, something like this. Yeah. So I don't know what's wrong here. Okay. Good. Then, yeah, let's take a break here. We did make some progress. Things seem to work, but yeah, there's still some bugs. Yeah. And this function is quite heavy, so that's not good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I will take a break now. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.